Have you ever looked across the property line and wondered, why does my neighbor's lawn look so much better than mine? The lawns are right next to each other, so you'd think they should look pretty similar. But small differences can have a surprisingly big impact. If you're trying to figure out why your lawn looks different, here's the checklist I would go through. First, compare the sunlight. Does your neighbor's lawn get more sun? Trees, houses, fences, and even the direction the lawn faces can create very different growing conditions, just a few feet apart. Next, look at the grass itself. Not all grass is the same. One lawn might have different grass species or newer varieties that are better suited for sun, shade, heat, or disease. Look at the color, blade width, and density. Do the lawns actually contain the same type of grass? Then check the soil. One property might have good topsoil, while another has compacted clay, sand, or poor fill underneath it. Those differences affect how well grass can develop roots and access water and nutrients. Next, compare watering. Don't just look at how often the sprinklers run. Look at how much water is actually reaching the grass. Irrigation coverage, soil type, slopes, and sunlight can all change how quickly a lawn dries out. Take a look at mowing too. Is one lawn being mowed shorter? Is it being mowed more frequently? Especially during the summer, mowing too short can put additional stress on the grass. Think about how the lawn is being used. Do you have kids playing in the yard or a dog running the same path every day? Pets, kids, parties, and other activity can compact the soil and wear down the grass. Then, look for specific problems. Disease, insects, weeds, compaction, thatch, or winter injury can affect one lawn while the lawn right next door looks perfectly healthy. And finally, consider the lawn's history. Maybe your neighbor overseeded a few years ago, installed sod, removed a tree, or has simply been improving their lawn for years. What you see today can be the result of things that happened a long time ago. So if your neighbor's lawn looks better than yours, don't assume there's one secret product you're missing. Go through the checklist. Compare the sunlight, grass, soil, water, mowing, how the lawn is used, any specific problems, and its history. Once you've identified what's different, you can start addressing those differences and get your lawn looking just as good.